Yo guys, what's up? It's Nick, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on the Yeezy 350 V2 Butters. I got a few pairs of these. I think I got 5 pairs in total. And honestly, I've just been slacking on the YouTube videos. I've been grinding my dick off at Steinmart, fucking dealing with old ladies and shit. So I'm just gonna open these up and show you guys what they look like.
Stand up on that block like fuck the feds. Hustle hard, we was stacking every buck we had. In that field 24, but we was ducking lead. Bullets flying.
Alright guys, so this is a pair of size 11s. The box is a little fucked up right there, as you guys can see, just on the corner. But I should be able to still sell it on StockX. And one thing that I learned about Yeezy Supply from getting these, both of these are from Yeezy Supply, and both used, one was a debit card linked to this address and the billing address, and this one was the same. So as for Yeezy Supply, you guys can do as many credit cards as you want going to a billing address. I think that they're getting more lenient with it because of how many pairs are being made now, but these are as limited as the breads, so the price is going to go up. But as you guys can see, they're pretty much cream whites that have been worn a lot. That's what they look like to me. They just look like some used ass creams, and even the bottom's like that yellow. It's like the gum. Not the worst shoe. Definitely the worst colorway though of the Yeezy V2. Since yeah, at least the white one. White goes with a lot of things. This kind of yellow. It'll look dope in some outfits as like a signature feature of it, but you have to have the same exact yellow for in like a book bag or socks or something to make it look right. Yeah, nothing really else to say about it. The only thing I like about the solid color V2s is that you can still see the supply because of the stitching, but like even though it's not actually there, so you can tell that it's there. Other shoes, same exact thing. There's some like hair sticking out of it and some nicks in the priming I can see. But I don't really care. I'm probably going to sell these. If you guys are interested in making as much money as possible and you're not broke right now, I would recommend holding these for as long as possible, because in my humble opinion, I think that these are going to shoot up to at least 500 by October. Maybe not 500, at least 400 by October. Just because of how limited they are. And people, like, I was talking to my barber, and he said that he really liked these, so the more common people like these, I guess. Not like sneakerheads, but like normal people. So they're definitely going to try to get their hands on these. And, yeah, it's a single colored shoe, so a lot of people are into that kind of stuff. But let's look at this other box.
Diaries of a knucklehead, Diaries of a knucklehead. Diaries of a knucklehead.
So with the Yeezys right now, if you guys are still watching the video, if you want Yeezys and you're not getting them, then you're really like you really don't know how the fuck to use a computer. Because I got this pair right here, the 9.5, like 10 minutes after it went live on Yeezy Supply, and it even told us when it was coming out on Yeezy Supply. So if you wanted these, you got them. And if you wanted them and didn't get them, then, you know, I kind of feel bad for you, honestly, because that's some stupid shit. Alright, these are a 9.5. And right now, 9.5 isn't doing that good on StockX. I think that's at $269. So, not the best resale, but it's whatever. Yeah, once again, you know, same exact shoe, nothing different about it. Yeah, if you guys want Yeezys, honestly, I would just say have one credit card and just keep on maxing out accounts. Well, maxing it out on Foot Locker. Return all of your shit, then just keep on putting it on different accounts. Like, I have like 4 Foot Locker accounts that are just all for getting Yeezys and stuff. But I have to borrow devices from like my parents and siblings, which is kind of annoying. But I mean, you do get a lot of Yeezys. But yeah, super easy to get. Everyone probably got them who watches my channel. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.